Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're doing another LEGO Polybag build-along. And in this case, it's Polybag 30152. And this is the City Mining Quad. And I've been trying out some of these city polybags because I feel like I neglected the city a lot and just never really gave it a shot. But I've enjoyed some of these sets. I thought they've been kind of interesting. Also, while I'm thinking about it, if you enjoy this kind of LEGO build-along, I am doing one of these build-alongs a day, one a day, for the foreseeable future. So if you like this kind of thing, please think about subscribing and turning on notifications so you can have YouTube let you know whenever I post a new one. Alright. Oh, also, if you're interested in building along with me, I've included links in the description for this particular set on Amazon and on Bricklink, and also I've included the brick set link for this set if you just want to check out information about this specific set. So first of all, let's put together the miner. And let's see. He seems to be fairly hardworking and doesn't really have any other expressions except a little bit of perspiration from, I'm guessing, mining. So that's one thing I've actually noticed with these city sets is the minifigs don't tend to have multiple expressions. At least I haven't noticed them with the polybags I've done so far. And so we have his hat, and we'll put a little light on the hat, and we got a. Actually, that looks pretty good. What do y'all think? It looks like a pretty decent kind of mining workman kind of guy. I like that. That's not bad looking. All right, let's get down to taking care of the quad. So, first of all, oh wait. Alright. I was figuring the orange piece would be first, but apparently it is not. Alright, so 2 clips go there, right here, like so. And then we put in the orange piece, and then this goes here. Hey, we got some dynamite. It's kind of cool. Alright. So we got that, and now this, and that, and the front of our quad. And the front of the quad lines up like so. Alright, so that doesn't look right at all, does it? What's wrong with that? Got 2 spots. Alright, so let's start. Let's look at this. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And put that there. So that's there. That's there. That's underneath it. Oh, I put this one too far back. This goes over the top of this. And then this. And then this. There we go. That's right. Alright. So let's see. Next, what we got is this goes right here. And then I'm assuming we got a brake light. And another brake light somewhere right here. Like so. Like so. So we got our 2 brake lights. And these 2 things up front. These tiles with the 1 stud on them. Like so. Alright. And then we're going to flip over and add the wheels. Alright. So let's knock out our wheels real quick while we're at it. Is there a different side to these? Lego group, and Lego group. Okay, so they both say the same things on both sides of the tires, so that's cool. I wanted to make sure my tires all matched if it was one of those things where one side of the tires was different from the other side. So we'll take care of our tires while we're at it. So got the tires taken care of like so. Alright, so got the wheels. So this one lines up here, and this one lines up here, like so, and flip it back over. And this is going to be our quad, and I'm assuming this is going to be the handlebar for it, just guessing, like so, and then this goes here, and this goes here. Alright, that takes care of that part. Now it goes on the back. You do not leave dynamite clipped to the back of your quad. I know this for a fact. Alright, so we ignore some safety precautions and clip a thing of dynamite to the back of our quad, and we clip a jackhammer to the back. Sensible, beside the dynamite. Alright, so the Lego City doesn't have the best safety precautions. We're all on the same page with that, right? Like, the Lego City needs to revisit some of its safety choices. Now, I'm not saying that it's not totally unsafe. I'm just saying that the way they store their high explosives might need a little readjusted. I'm wondering if there's like a Lego Polybag for like a mayor, or maybe some type of, I don't know, safety patrol. It's like, don't put dynamite back there, and don't store it near the jackhammers. Alright. So, aside from the safety choices, well, we'll reserve judgment on that one. Alright, so they got that. And then we just pop on some wheels. So, one wheel, two wheel. I tell you what, safety choices aside, this quad looks seriously like it's an off-road vehicle. I mean, I don't know. I like the quad. Kind of cool. So, definitely a neat addition to your potential city. I don't know. Kind of like it. You could be in the construction area in your city, like where you're building stuff up. And, well, so it's like mining / road crew, I guess. I don't know. I like the quad though. I like the quad a lot. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you have any polybags you think I should take a look at, you can let me know in the comments. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope you all have an excellent day.